Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'll be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Today is our second lesson of Russian, and today we'll learn the difference between hard and soft sounds in Russian. Russian people hear this difference all the time. We can say mel, chalk, and mel, like shallow water. The difference is in l, hard l sound, or l, soft l sound. So, in Russian, vowels control the consonants that go before them. There are hard vowels. They are a, o, u, e, y, like in ma, mo, mu, me, my. And there are soft vowels like ya, yo, yu, ye, i. Compare mya, myo, mu, me, mi. Let's do it again so that you can hear the difference. Ma, mya, mo, myo, mu, mu, me, me, my, mi. We also have two magic letters, the hard sign and the soft sign. The soft sign has no sound of its own, but it makes the preceding consonant sound soft. For example, polka, like a shelf, and polka, like polka, a dance. Угол, corner, уголь, coal, or top, like top, и top, like swamp. The hard sign also doesn't have a sound of its own, but it makes the preceding consonant hard. We had this example in the first lesson. Let's repeat it. Обедать, like have lunch, and объедать, so eat too much food so that there is not enough left for the others. As you can hear, the hard sign separates sounds, so the following vowel stays strong and independent, and it doesn't influence the preceding consonant. Let's look at another example, like сесть, sit down, and съесть, eat up. We also have the 5 unchangeable consonants. 3 of them are always hard and 2 of them are always soft. So the 3 ones which are always hard are ша, же, and ц. Ша, ше, ши, шо, шу. Even if we combine she and you, like in parachute, it will sound like shu. It will also sound hard. Ca, ce, ci, so, su. Even ce together with you will sound like zu in Zurich. Zurich. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Even je together with yo in желтый gives hard sound jo, and je together with you in julienne, it's a dish, gives a hard sound ju. We even have a rule in the Russian language. It's a spelling rule. It sounds like жиши, пиши с буквой и. We hear и, живи, or шина, but we spell it with e because these 2 consonants are always hard no matter what vowel you combine it with. And there are 2 consonants which are always soft. These are cha and sha. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. We also have a spelling rule which says cha, sha пиши с буквой а, чу, щу пиши с буквой у. It is because when we say cha, we can suggest or we can hear that there is letter ya, but in fact it is a. And if we say chu and shu, we can suggest that we hear something soft here. We can suggest that there is letter u, but it is u. If we combine all these three spelling rules that we have in Russian, we have many of them. These are not the only ones that we have. Russian spelling is very complicated, but if we combine all of them in one, it would sound like жи, ши пиши с буквой И, ча, ща пиши с буквой А, чу, щу пиши с буквой У. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.